Hello everyone, we have given 6 times 2 divided 2 times 6 and options are 1, 12, 24, 36. So can you find the number that equate the simplification? So let's comment your comment what number you find and watch my solution in this video. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I ask you to subscribe it and activate the notification bell here on the channel. And because we are daily uploaded free videos that train your mind in reasoning as well as basic to advanced math. So let's take a good look to this resolution. So some people solve it from left to right, some people solve it from right to left, but we are solving it by a rule that called BODMAS rule, which help us to choose the operation. We have to solve it first. So B stands for bracket, O stands for of, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. So in this question, we have given two operations, that is division and multiplication. So we have to give preference to division first. So 6 times 2 divided 2 times 6. Now 6 times 1 divides 6. 6 times 1 is 6 and 6 times 6 is 36, which is option number D. So comment down below if you already cracked the logic. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.